Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. Right guys, if you guys see market gap down today and we did make some good profits today here. Okay, so market is kind of negative, but it is trying its best here to survive. If you see in the last 1 hour, it had a very good recovery, but this is totally sideways, okay? And if you see Bank Nifty is also on the same kind of condition. It was sideways, but then it pumped up. Okay, because it did not come to any of my level, I did not short it. I did not add new position. That is the truth. Yeah, so let's see the plans for tomorrow. I'm still sticking on to the same thing. If it comes somewhere near 22,255 and it shows any negativity, that is any negative sentiment, I'll be looking forward to short it, or I'll be shorting only post 22,105. Okay, and below I'll be shorting it. Okay, then next is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, if you guys see, it was totally sideways, guys. So totally sideways, but it gave us a very good profit, and after that I exited very quick. In the morning itself I exited it. I did not hold it for a long time because it had survived. Okay, selling happens fast, it won't wait so long. Selling happens really quick. So again my level is 47,455 and below is where I'm looking forward to short it. Okay, I'll be buying only post 47,785 and above. I'll be looking forward to buy it. Okay. Next is US oil. US oil, if you guys see, we shorted it here, but it took our SL very quick. This was the SL. Took the SL really quick. Okay, so this is totally stuck now. This is a place where it's totally stuck. I think it's time for me to get rid of this trend lines. Okay, so now it's going in this direction, which is totally fine. Just a minute, let me plot it quick. So this is a good trend line. Okay, this is definitely a good trend line, because if you guys see 1 2 3 manipulation, then here came down. I'm still expecting it to go on a downside, so I still have hope here. Not hope, I think this is how the price action should work. From here, if it falls, we can see a great fall. Okay, so I'll be shorting here now. That is $84.95, and below I'll be shorting it. Okay, my stop loss will be at 60 points. That's it, nothing more than that. Next is gold. Gold, as I already discussed, it's stuck, so we don't have any trades for now. 2,400 and above we'll buy it. 2,320 and below we'll sell it. Yeah, that's it for gold. And GMMP, I did buy it today. I bought it here exactly at this level, and my stop loss at 1323. Okay, so I bought it at 1415. It has come down a little. It's totally fine. We are gonna wait for it. Yeah, and these stocks I tried intraday trading, guys. That's it. Okay, this is nothing. It's just some intraday trades. So that's it for today's video, guys. So be a bit cautious about market. There is a probability for it to come down more. If it gives an opportunity, we'll definitely trade it. Okay, so if you guys like my content, please like, share and subscribe. New swing trading stocks will be added very quick. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.